They were each other's soulmates. A couple of years before Tamuna came here, her closest friends came here and studied at Vienna Fine Arts Academy. After years, it was 1997, they arranged to get invitation letter for entrance exams. She came here and passed these exams. It was big competition. But I want to tell a small story how it develops. On the second day, Franz Graf came to Tamuna and asked her that stop painting. You are already accepted. But she did not stop. She continued painting until the end, and she painted for whole 3 days. I think this story describes her determination to painting and also tells a lot about her personality. So it started like this. Franz Graf took her in his so-called famous class, because it was like everybody knows this class in Vienna. When it comes to Tamuna's experience in Vienna, I would like to deflect this question a little bit, because I don't feel like adorning this history, nor do I want to a little bit surprise the society. Everyone in Vienna acutely aware of how Franz and Tamuna's marriage was perceived in Vienna. But it's worth noting, when Tamuna came to Franz's atelier at Erste, when she starts painting on the big wall, Franz directly hired her as his assistant. Franz very deeply appreciate Tamuna as an artist and as a person. I remember when we were sitting together, when Tamuna liked somebody, some musicians or some artists, he was like, if she likes, I like too. He respects her opinion, always. Also, I wanna mention that they had a little beefs between each other. Even though they had rather complex character, both of them, I suppose these arguments used to arise from external factors. Because from my point of view, they were each other's soulmates. It's very obvious for me. And also I want to mention how Tamuna was loved by her friends and colleagues. Every time when I catch up with them, they recall her always with a little bit hidden tears in their eyes, and I'm very thankful because of this. They appreciate her till today.